Welcome to Great Garden, where ordinary orchids are transformed into stunning, vibrant blooms. Today, I'm going to reveal a very simple orchid growing secret that uses only familiar ingredients you already have in your kitchen. With this method, your orchids will develop strong, healthy roots, lush green leaves, and beautifully timed flower spikes that will catch everyone's attention. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any useful plant care tips. Let's get started and turn your orchid into the highlight of every space. Do you have carrots in your kitchen? I believe almost every household has a few carrots on hand. Carrots are not only good for human health, but also offer many great benefits for orchids. First, I will wash the carrots under clean running water. This step helps remove dirt, sand, and impurities on the surface, ensuring that the nutrients extracted from the carrots are completely clean and free from contamination. As a result, the solution used for orchids will be safer and more effective. Next, I cut the carrot in half and use only one half. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then, slice the carrot into small pieces, as you can see in the video. Carrots are very rich in vitamins A and C, minerals, as well as beta-carotene and natural enzymes. All of these nutrients help boost immunity and support the growth of orchids. Now I will put all the chopped carrot pieces into the blender. The next ingredient I use is ginger. Ginger is not only a common kitchen spice, but also a highly useful natural herb for orchids. First, I will slice the ginger into thin pieces, as shown in the video. Slicing it thinly helps release the valuable compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and natural antibacterial agents, more quickly. Ginger contains a high amount of gingerol, powerful antioxidants, and strong antibacterial properties that help limit fungi, bacteria, and other agents that cause root rot. Thanks to this, orchids are better protected and can grow more vigorously. When the ginger is cut into small pieces, the surface area increases, allowing its nutrients to dissolve into the water more effectively. This creates a potent, easily absorbed extract that provides optimal benefits when used for orchids. Then, add all the sliced ginger into the blender to prepare for blending it together with the carrot. Add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Then start blending the mixture until smooth. Blending thoroughly helps release the maximum amount of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes found in carrots, creating a fine solution that orchids can easily absorb through their roots and leaves. As a result, the plants are nourished quickly and vigorously, the new shoots grow stronger, and flower spikes are more likely to emerge. After blending, we strain out the pulp and keep only the pure extract. This carrot essence is rich in nutrients and is easily absorbed when watered onto the plant or sprayed directly on the orchids. Finally, I add 1 liter of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution, and that's it. We now have a safe, effective, and incredibly easy to make organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids and see the difference for yourself. Watering the plant lightly before fertilizing helps clean the growing medium, washing away dust, impurities, and accumulated salts, creating a fresher environment around the roots. This thin layer of moisture also helps both old and new roots expand, improving respiration and metabolism, which in turn stimulates the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the roots absorb it quickly and distribute the nutrients evenly, reducing the risk of fertilizer shock or root burn. The entire plant, from the roots to the leaves and the growing tips, is nourished evenly, helping the foliage become greener, glossier, and healthier. This rinsing step may seem simple, but it is extremely important, especially for orchids that are recovering or preparing to bloom. Doing this regularly creates the ideal foundation for the plant to grow strong and produce vibrant blooms in the next season. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it so more people can learn this simple orchid care tip. Method 1. First, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to lightly soak up the solution and carefully wipe each surface of the orchid leaves. Wiping the leaves removes dust and residues, allowing them to absorb light more effectively, enhancing photosynthesis, and reducing bacteria, mold, and pests. The extract from carrots and ginger provides a rich source of natural nutrients. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, beta-carotene, and mild antibacterial compounds that help boost immunity, nourish glossy green leaves, and support healthy root development. Be sure to wipe both sides of the leaves with the carrot-ginger solution, as this stimulates metabolism and allows the nutrients to penetrate deeply into the leaf cells. Therefore, it's recommended to do this 1 to 2 times a week to keep the leaves clean, ensure optimal nutrient absorption, and avoid waterlogging or damage to the plant. Method 2. I will pour the carrot-ginger solution into a specialized watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides a rich source of natural nutrients from carrots and ginger, but also creates a natural protective layer against fungi, bacteria, and pathogens, helping the plant grow robustly from roots to leaves. It's best to water regularly once a week, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition. When watering, do so evenly and gently to avoid excess water accumulation, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients effectively, keeping the growing medium aerated, and minimizing the risk of fungal growth. Method 3. Pour the solution into a specialized spray bottle and evenly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the carrot ginger extract helps evenly distribute the nutrients throughout the plant, supplying vitamins, minerals, beta-carotene, and natural antibacterial compounds from the ginger. Be sure to spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients penetrate deeply, enhancing protection and nourishment. This method can be applied once a week during the first month, then maintained once a month for long-lasting effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to fully absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves, gently wipe them dry with a soft cloth to prevent creating an environment for fungi and bacteria to grow. Dry leaves help the plant photosynthesize more efficiently and allow the roots to function actively, maintaining vigorous health and preparing the new shoots and flower spikes for strong development. Any remaining solution I will pour into an ice cube tray and place it in the freezer for longer storage. When the solution freezes into small ice cubes, many people have the habit of placing the ice directly at the base of the plant like this, which is completely wrong. Instead, put 3 to 5 ice cubes into a cup like this, then stir well until the ice melts. You should wait about 15 minutes for the ice to melt. After 15 minutes, when the water has reached room temperature, pour the melted solution into each orchid pot. The nutrients from carrots and ginger, combined with natural vitamins, minerals, and beta-carotene, will be quickly absorbed by the plant, supporting strong root development, boosting immunity, and stimulating lush, glossy, and vibrant leaves. After being cared for using this method, the orchids in my garden have shown remarkable daily progress and are growing vigorously. You can easily notice many new roots emerging with plump green tips, a clear sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients effectively and recovering very well. A strong root system is the most important foundation for maintaining long-lasting vitality in orchids. The leaves are now deep green, glossy, and thicker. Leaves that were previously slightly wrinkled or weak have become firm and full of life, proving that the carrot ginger solution has effectively nourished the plants during the recovery phase. In pots that previously grew slowly, new shoots are beginning to emerge, and some plants have even developed new flower spikes, growing robustly, a sign that the orchids have fully recovered and are ready for the next blooming season. Every flower that blooms is the well-deserved result of gentle but proper care. This method not only strengthens the orchids, but also brings a noticeable transformation to the entire garden. With persistence, the plants will always reward you with vibrant flowers and abundant vitality. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever tried using carrots, ginger, or other common kitchen ingredients to nurture your orchids? Share your experience in the comments. I'm very eager to hear your garden stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more simple yet effective plant care tips in upcoming videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.